Hello guys, you are welcome once again to Ben Ambitious Inventions YouTube channel. So today we are coming to look about how to open a laptop and find out the RAM in it in case you want to buy a new one. So this laptop has been running very slowly. So after checking it, I found out that it has only 4 gigabytes of RAM, and I found out that only 3.9 gigabytes of it can be used. But to get a faster laptop to work for you, you have to get a RAM of 8, 16, or 32 gigabytes. So I'm going to check it and see the RAM in it in case I want to buy a new one for it. So join me and let's open it.
So you have to check and look for screwdrivers that can open your laptop very well. So these are the screws I am opening right now. So far 3 of them has been removed. First time when I tried opening it, I nearly broke it because there were some hidden screws somewhere which I didn't know. But I later on found out that there are hidden screws under those strips under the laptop. So to remove those screws, you have to pull those strips off. Then under them, you'll find screws there. Then you open it. You have to put it down gently so that when you finish, you put it back. So there are 3 screws at the other side, and this side has 4 screws. So you have to make sure you open all of them. Then you pull the side of the laptop to open the back. Do it gently so that any part of the laptop is not breaking. So after opening your laptop, this is how it looks like. This is the CD drive, and this one is the CPU cooler for the laptop. And this whole black thing here is the lithium battery, which is inbuilt for the laptop. And this one is the RAM. So this is what we are coming to check and remove it in case we want to replace the new one. So to open it, you put the clips aside, then you remove it gently. You have to check it carefully and notice the writings on it so that if you are going to buy a new one, you don't make any mistake. Each and every laptop has its own specific RAM that it uses.